Volume is essential in trading because if you trade only at times when there is significant volume in the market, it means you're not the only one trading. You are actually trading alongside many other traders. This strategy is based on my research and my struggle with Microsoft Copilot AI, which required a lot of fine-tuning. After working through those challenges, I added my own twist to make it more effective. Be sure to watch until the end because I'm going to show you how to turn this strategy into a fully automated bot with alerts using different approaches. In this video, I'm going to showcase one of the best volume indicators that you can find on TradingView. If you find value in this video, remember to leave a like. Thank you for that. Let's get into it. This indicator is called the Firefly Oscillator. To add it to your chart, you want to go to TradingView and then open any trading security that you like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the 15-minute time frame of GBP JPY. After that, open the indicator search tab and then type in Firefly Oscillator. And be sure to select this one by Lazy Bear. Big shout out to them. The Firefly Oscillator is a technical analysis tool used in trading to identify bullish and bearish trading volume in a trading security. On top of that, this indicator can also be used to identify potential overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Let's go over what this indicator is made of. So we have a midline that separates bullish from bearish analysis. And this histogram right here is used to track the different levels of volume in the market. Whenever these histogram bars are green, that indicates the presence of a strong bullish volume in the market. Red color indicates bearish volume. Yellow represents a lack of volume in the market. And these are areas where you should not be looking to take any positions. To visualize this histogram even better, I like to change the display style to area. Next, we have an oscillator and a signal line. As you can see, whenever I toggle this on and off, you can see what they represent. For our strategy, we're not going to be using these two lines, so we're going to deselect these two options. On the Inputs tab, we can activate the bar colors. This is basically going to mirror what this oscillator is doing, making it easier to analyze the market. We can smooth out this oscillator even further by checking this box. The indicator also contains an enclosing Bollinger Bands option. If we enable that, this is it. It's basically a Bollinger Band that you can use to identify the market momentum. Whenever these two bands are above the zero level, that is a bullish market momentum. On the other hand, whenever both of them are under the zero level, that indicates bearish market momentum. In order to use this indicator to trade, we need to add two more indicators to the chart. But don't worry, just before the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way and a TradingView hack to use just more than two indicators, up to 30 indicators actually, on the free plan of TradingView. So make sure to watch it until the end. An entry confirmation indicator is needed, which is going to be a buy-sell indicator called PT Market Beacon, which is developed in a partnership with Chart Prime. And speaking of which, let me tell you something about them. In the fast-paced world of trading, precision and timely insights are crucial. Chart Prime offers an advanced toolkit that integrates seamlessly with your TradingView charts, providing a real-time patterns detection, accurate buy and sell signals, and smart money concepts to keep you ahead of market shifts. With features like dynamic support and resistance zones, liquidity zone analysis, and cutting-edge oscillators, Chart Prime empowers traders to make informed decisions with confidence. Join a community of successful traders and elevate your trading experience. All you need to do is to click the link above here or down in the description today to start your 7-day risk-free trial plus more. Alright, back to the next indicator that we need, which is the ADX and DI indicator. This one by this amazing author. Big shout out to them as well. Double click on the ADX and DI indicator and we want to change the ADX line to yellow to make it more visible. On the input step, change the length to 20 and this value to 30. After that, click OK. For the market beacon, the default settings are gonna work fine. No need to change anything. Also, the market beacon is a private indicator. To get access to it, you wanna use the link down in the video description. Next, we're gonna go over the conditions for taking long and short positions using this strategy. To take a long trade with this strategy that we just created, these are the conditions. The basis of our strategy is to confirm that the momentum of the market is lining up with the volume as well as the trend. So to confirm a bullish momentum, we're gonna be using the PT market beacon indicator. We need a long signal like this one to be printed on the chart and confirm the origin of a bullish market momentum. Next, for volume, we're going to be using the Firefly oscillator. We need this indicator to be colored green, like this one right here, to indicate the presence of enough bullish volume in the market for us to take this long position. Then, lastly, to confirm a bullish trend, we're going to be using the ADX and DI indicator. We need the ADX line, basically this yellow line here, to be above the 10 level. The 10 level is this white dotted line right here. Once we confirm it's above the level, we need this green line to be above the red line. Now, what does all this mean? Well, having the ADX line above the 10 level indicates that the market may be trending. But to confirm whether it's bullish or bearish trend, we use these red and green lines. Having the green line above the yellow line indicates that the trend is bullish. At the same time, having the red line under the yellow line indicates that the bearishness of the market is suppressed by the bullish trend. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're going to enter a long position here. The stop loss goes right under the most recent string low, and for take profit, we're going to target a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. Letting the trade run, and it was profitable. Alright, now here's one more long position. We had a long signal printed by the PT market beacon, indicating the onset of bullish momentum. The Firefly oscillator was colored green, indicating the presence of sufficient bullish volume in the market. Lastly, the yellow ADX line was above the 10 level, with the green line above it. And at the same time, this red line was actually under it. Because if you look closely, you can see that there is actually a crossover that just happened. And the red line went under the yellow line. This is what we're looking for. Now, to take a short position, we're going to do the opposite of everything we just did for these long positions. So first, we're going to look for our short signal to be printed by the PT market beacon indicator. This short signal indicates the onset of bearish market momentum. In summary, using the Firefly oscillator for volume identification is crucial because it highlights a strong bullish or bearish volume, filtering out false signals. This also ensures trades are based on significant market activity and trends. You can now check the recommended videos on your screen to learn how to fully automate this strategy with alerts using different approaches, just as I promised at the beginning of this video. And you can also check out the other video which I showed you how to use just more than 2 indicators on the free version of TradingView. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.